Hello everyone and welcome to Enlighten Learners. And today we are going to start a new series, Know Your Rights, and this is the first video. And in this video we are going to see about the concept product liability. How about we start this video with a cup of coffee? You're going to your favorite coffee shop. You ordered a cup of coffee, you found your favorite seat and also got your coffee too. Now you're going to enjoy the view through the window. And now, with the mind of having your favorite drink, you just try to have your first sip. And then, bam! You just burnt your lips. Sorry about that. But look at yourself, you burned your lips. How you are going to meet people with the burnt lips? How you are going to talk with them? Or even if you go to the doctor will say it will take days to recover. So, how you are going to meet the expenses? How you are going to meet the doctor expenses, the treatment expenses? Is that your fault that you have drunk the world's hottest coffee? No, it must be the fault of the person who served you coffee. It must be the fault of the faulty service. So, what is the remedy? At this point, the concept of product liability will come for the rescue. Product liability refers to the manufacturers or seller being held for the act they have committed, like for providing the defective products or services to the customers. So it is a strict liability that will absolutely make the seller responsible for the act. So in this doctrine, consumer is the king. So the seller has to be very careful while providing the products or even the services. So when he provides the dangerous or defective products or the defective services to the consumer that are dangerous or defective, then the seller will become the responsible and he can even be sued for the act. In India, Consumer Protection Act 2019 establishes the doctrine of product liability. Okay. Before this act was enacted, the product liability was evolving in India, but now it becomes absolute. So you can even go to the consumer forums to get the remedy. So consumer protection forums are known as consumer courts. That you can actually go to the courts and get the remedy, and you can sue the owners for the act they have committed. So under this act, there is a central authority and even commissions to investigate the acts and even make rules and regulations. So the penalty will be depend upon the gravity of the acts they have committed, like by giving the compensation or even go to the extent of giving the imprisonment. Other acts like Food Adulteration Act, Sales of Goods Act, MRTP Act, even IPC provide the provision for protecting the consumer rights. Talking about the case law, while hearing the product liability, this case law will come to your mind. McDonald's hot coffee case. In this case, a woman who ordered a cup of coffee and she spilled coffee over her body that has resulted in third-degree injury. So she claimed compensation against the coffee shop owner and she even stressed the point of product liability and she was even awarded the compensation for the injury. And in India, Wheels World versus Pradeep Kumar Khurana case law plays an important role. In this case, a doctor who actually sued the car company for the faulty services they provided. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and support. And I will be back with a new video in this series. So keep watching. Thank you.